is will I die today? Or will I get second solution? It was never meant to end this way. One shot violence, you hear what I say. Standing on a street light trying to get away. Guilty, guilty, you hear what I say, what I say. And what I wanna know is will I get death row? Or is there a second solution? What I wanna say is will I die today? Or will I get second solution? Stand on a street light trying to get away. Guilty, guilty, hear what you say. Counting down the hours, but I haven't got time. 23rd precinct, jumping on the line, on the line. And what I wanna know is will I get death row? Or is there a second solution? What I wanna say is will I die today? Or will I get second solution, second solution, second solution, second solution?